Hello, Jennifer. Okay, I heard great things going on with TeloYouth. Can you share with us?
Yes, I'm a patient of a stroke, and after the COVID shot in 2022, after a couple days, I got stroke,
Oh,
and my symptoms were I was not stable. I was having a vertigo, like in a boat, always ungrounded. So I was always walking like I'm in a boat.
oh, wow.
And my right side was frozen. It was not circulating well. And a lot of times, like I cannot even chew.
Oh, wow.
and the food always gets stuck on my right side, and I got diagnosis with osteoporosis last year in 2024, and I took a TeloYouth 7 weeks ago, and I don't feel no more vertigo.
Wow.
And my right side is warm.
Wow.
And
Only 7 weeks.
only 7 weeks, but I felt I was getting better in 2 weeks.
Wow, 2 weeks miracle.
2 weeks miracle.
And how long you had these symptoms after COVID shot?
After COVID shot, it's been like more than 2 years.
More than 2 years. You
Like
suffer that
3 years.
almost 3 years.
3 years.
Wow, but that in 2 weeks you got better. Wow, this is
Yes.
powerful rejuvenation program. Yeah?
Yes.
So you're feeling much better now.
Yes. This is a miracle.
This is a miracle. It has changed your life.
Changed me definitely.
So I noticed that there are many people who has COVID shots, that side effects. So this is definitely a good news, huh?
Yes.
People who have that similar situation or symptoms, they can definitely try TeloYouth Rejuvenation Program.
Yes.
All right. Well, thank you for sharing. And how old are you?
I'm 62 now
And living in LA?
in LA.
Great. Well, thank you for sharing, Jennifer.
You're welcome.